How to make pan-fried apples. Hey everyone, welcome back to Food and Fun channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up a simple and delicious treat that's perfect for breakfast, dessert, or anytime you crave something sweet. Pan-fried apples, it's super easy, and the aroma will make your kitchen smell incredible. So let's dive in. Ingredients: 4 apples, cored and sliced, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, a pinch of salt. 1. First, let's core and slice our apples into wedges like this. 2. Next, we'll melt the butter in a pan over medium heat. 3. Now add the apple slices and cook for 5 minutes until they start to soften. 4. Time for our sweet touch. Sprinkle in the brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and give it a good stir. 5. Continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes, and voila, our pan-fried apples are ready. Serving suggestions: you can enjoy these apples on their own, or use them as a topping for pancakes, oatmeal, or even ice cream. The possibilities are endless. Thanks so much for watching. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below how it turns out. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Food and Fun for more delicious and easy recipes. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Until next time, happy cooking and see you in the next video.